Hello and welcome to another beef market update from AHDB Market Intelligence. In this episode, we'll be running through a quick overview of the latest market developments covering prices, production and trade. Throughout the last month, GB deadweight cattle prices have continued to be elevated for the time of year, despite prime prices having eased back somewhat from the highs seen in late April. For the week ending the 19th of June, the GB all prime average deadweight cattle price stood at 393 pence per kilo, 33 pence higher on the year and 42 pence above the 5-year average price. Cull cow prices have been on an upwards trajectory since the beginning of the year. We typically see cow prices rise through the first half of the year and ease in the second, as demand for prime animals eases following the Christmas period and the summer months drive demand for mince and burgers. In the week ending the 19th of June, the GB average overall deadweight cow price stood at 286 pence per kilo, up 26 pence on the year and up 41 pence on the 5-year average. Looking at beef production levels, during May, a total of 74,000 tonnes of beef was produced in the UK, 1% more than was produced during May last year. This was largely driven by a 9% increase in cow slaughter, which appeared to outweigh a 2% fall in prime cattle numbers. Cow carcass weights were also 3% heavier on average during May compared to the same month last year, while prime cattle weights were relatively unchanged. For January to May inclusive, UK beef production stands at 375,000 tonnes, down 2% year on year. From a trade point of view, HMRC data shows that for January to April inclusive, UK exports of fresh and frozen beef were 36% lower on the year at just over 27,000 tonnes. Imports for the same period are down 29% on the year at 54,000 tonnes. Well, that's it for this month's episode, but if you'd like to stay up to date on our latest market analysis, you can visit the AHDB Beef Markets webpage. You can also subscribe to our Cattle and Sheep Weekly e-newsletter for updates every Friday, or you can pop us an email at redmeat.mi@ahdb.org.uk.